Okay guys, I'm in a different Walmart now than the one I was at yesterday or a couple days ago, where I found the Tesla Convoy. They have more main lines at this one, but it's ones we've already seen, I believe. So let's go over to the Matchbox. They do have Convoys, but no Tesla. I might get this Dragon Slayer. Looks pretty cool. Again, these are what, five or $6, I think, but you get a car and a truck and a trailer. Let's see what the whole set is. Lone Star Cab, which is right there, that one. I might get that one next time. There's the Tesla that I got. I seen that one the other day, but I didn't get it. I'm thinking about getting the whole set, but I don't know. I got the main one, I think. But that Dragon Slayer is pretty nice. There's a 5-pack in that one there. Look at that thing. Beautiful. These are nice. These working rigs. That's pretty nice there too. Jaguar. Lightweight E-type carry-on. Oh, nice. Nissan. Look at the Nissan. That's pretty cool. 71 Datsun. But I will grab that Convoy right there. Lightning. Let's see, I'm going to go back here. This is, I know you guys have seen me do this before, but this is where they had the pegs at back here. Let's see if they've, yeah, looks like it's pretty much the same ones. Okay, back at the house now. I'm going to open up this Dragon Slayer real quick so you can take a closer look at it. Okay, got it open, out of the package. Check this out, guys. Wow. That is really cool seeing it out of the package like that. Dragon Slayer. Petrol. Nice. It's got the steps in the back. Wonder if wonder if it unhooks. This is the first Convoy I've ever bought, obviously, so I don't know if that, I don't want to break it. Anybody let me know if that unhooks? I don't know. How would you unhook it? Seriously, I'm a moron on this because I've never bought never bought these, so it's a cool tanker truck. Look at that. It's pretty nice, really nice. Really cool. Just let you guys look at it. Not much to say, just let you look at it. It's a beauty. I'll probably leave the Tesla in the package for now. That's the only problem with opening these up. You have to tear the package up. Like the ones that Diecast do, the ones that he gets are pretty cool because he gets the packages that you can put the truck back in there without damaging the package. But that is really nice, guys. Okay, here's the truck. The pickup. Dragon Slayer. That's nice. Really cool. Really cool. Little sunroof. Stuff in the back. Pretty cool. Overall, I would say this is a pretty neat diecast set. Pretty cool. I had initially passed it up because I was so excited about seeing the Tesla the first time, and Diecast dude actually mentioned that Dragon Slayer was cool, and I kind of agree with him. So when I went back to another Walmart, I happened to see one there, so I went ahead and grabbed it. Really nice. I might finish the whole set. They've got more of them too. I seen that one. Obviously got that one. Just got this one. I did see that one at the Walmart a few days ago, but I didn't grab it. So I should have This was $7 with tax and everything. This was about a little over $7. So they're not cheap, but man, they're nice. When you get used to buying Hot Wheels, they're 94 cents, but it's worth it, man. If you guys find any Convoys, grab them. They're really nice. All right, hey, listen, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I just wanted to show you this in hand and do a box break here. A hunting video and box break. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. And until the next video, happy hunting.